I'm Anne and I live here with my family. I chose Sigma 3 because a friend of mine had had her kitchen done recently by them. She waxed lyrical about the standard of service and how Sigma 3 were absolutely intent on creating the right kitchen for you. So I trundled along to Sigma 3 with my mood board, and Susan had the intelligence and also the creativity to see what would work and what wouldn't work. There were so many things that Susan designed which for me made this a kitchen that was perfect. It's essentially a galley kitchen, the kitchen area, even though it opens up into a breakfast room. So she came up with where to put the shelves and also curves on the end to soften the ends of the cupboards. But it was quite difficult because she had quite a narrow space to work with. And in fact, when it was done, friends came in and said, "It looks as if you've widened your kitchen. It looks so much bigger." The installation process was amazing. We had a chap called Chris, and it would be unfair to call him a kitchen fitter. He is a very, very skilled craftsman. I've always felt that a kitchen is only as good as the person who fits it. And I think that's true whether you have a cheap DIY kitchen or a bespoke kitchen. If the person who fits it doesn't do a good job, it's going to look horrible. And I couldn't be more pleased with how it worked and how Chris worked as well. He was super to work with and, as I say, very highly skilled. What I like most about this kitchen is the way it works for me and the way I cook. Susan designed it in such a way that whatever I'm doing, the things I need are where I want them to be. Where I'm sitting now, I call my wine chair. And if I'm cooking at the hob, somebody can sit here and have a coffee or a glass of wine, or if somebody else, if my daughter's there or my husband, I can sit here and do likewise. I would thoroughly recommend Sigma 3 from product, design to service. I thought the amount of customer service I received, both in terms of the design and install and advice, was quite extraordinary, considering this is not a bespoke project. I felt that I received a bespoke service every step of the way, everything I wanted to modify, and I kept changing my ideas because your ideas change, they evolve as you go along. Susan and Chris were very happy to work with me. I can't really recommend them highly enough.